Hi guys, what's up? Now I'm going to discuss the most important international relation current affair to the Mars. So here first topic is TIR convention. Then what is the TIR conventions? Okay, this is the first shipment under the UN Transport International Rotor Convention arrived in India from Afghanistan through Iran port. So that's why this is in news first time this arrived. So TIR convention is also called international road transport. It's also called international road transport. So India acceded to the custom convention on international transport of goods under cover of TIR carnets, that is called TIR convention in 2017. So this is facilitate the international carriage of goods from one more customs office of departure to destination from other customs office. So this is the convention for the shipment transport from one place to other place. So this is important convention that is happened in 1975. Okay, so now we are going to other topic that is called 1267 Sanctions Committee. Okay, now Sanctions Committee, this committee actually for what? This is for the ISIL, or we can say ISIS. Yes. So and Al Qaeda Sanction Committee 1267 Sanction Committee was not able to come to a decision on the proposal for listing Mohammad Masood Azhar, leader of JEM, under the UN sanction regime because of China here holding the proposal. That's why this is not considered here. So that's why that is the here that one UN Security Council can take action to maintain or restore international peace. The UN Security Council only to what? Maintain the international peace. So that's why many subsidiaries organizations also going on under the UN Security Council to handle such type of activity. So that's why here we can say so 1267 sanction measures provide to sanction committee are assets freeze, travel ban and arm banned here. So due to this sanction committee given the proposal to ban this type of activity what happened by the Al Qaeda and the ISIL and ISIS and other type of terrorist group. So okay, so this is the other also committee happened similar like first is 2253 in 2015 and 1989 in 2011. These type of committee can come in question as a match of following here. Okay, so now one more points we can say here. Okay, so the UN resolution 1267 lead to the formation of sanction committee that overlook the sanction imposed upon the Taliban. So this is mainly 1267. Okay. However, 1989, that 1989 was in 2011. This 1989 sanction committee was in 2011. A resolution was adopted whereby the purview of the committee formed under resolution 1267 that changed the sanction imposed upon Al Qaeda, and separate committee was formed for the Taliban under resolution 1989. Okay, so this is important here. This resolution and the resolution committee that is organized by the UN Security Councils to maintain the peace, international peace in the world. Yeah, so that's why this is in news this time. So other topic is we can say JCPOA. What is JCPOA? Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action JCPOA. Okay, this is signed between the Iran and P5 nation of UNSC, United Security Council, which are US, UK, France, China, Russia, and plus Germany and European Union in 2015, and was implemented in 2016. JCPOA implemented in 2016. Okay, then the first means the primary aim of this one is the first to prevent the Iran from building the nuclear weapon by ensuring curbs on its nuclear program, and the second aim was lifting the international sanction on Iran. So JCPO mainly on Iran means what means lifting of international sanction on Iran and nuclear weapons. Okay, building of nuclear weapons. This type of nuclear weapons is going to make Iran. So two uranium enriched area in Iran is called Natanz and Fordo. So in paper we can say this place in which country. Okay. Now this Iran had been building a heavy water nuclear facility near the town Arak. This is also in news. Here you can see. So JCPO, that's why in news here. Now other topic is Instex water mechanism. Instex water mechanism also for Iran and other countries like France, Germany, and United Kingdom. Here, if USA going to impose sanction on the Iran with the trade and the other material transporting from one place to other place, so that's why, and all the trade activity going to happen in dollar. So Iran and other country want to stop trade in USA currency, means dollar currency. That's why here these countries using the barter system. So here we can say 6 new European countries like Belgium, Denmark, Finland, Netherlands, Norway, Sweden have decided to join the instrument in support of trade exchange mechanism. Okay, so this is the Instex. It is a trade mechanism established by the France, Germany, and other UK in January 2019 to allow European entity to maintain the trade with Iran. Which maintain the trade with Iran. Yeah, so that's why this is in news. So that the mechanism represented continuing commitment of France, Germany, and the UK to the JCPOA. That's why this is a part of the JCPOA. Now I am going to other topic. This is very important topic. We can say here, which one is Christchurch Call to Action Initiative. Okay, this initiative was started by the New Zealand because of that is some terrorist group attacked on the Christian community at the Christian place. So that's why this was in news. Okay, so here to eliminate the terrorist and violent extremist content online, which was supported by many countries and companies. Okay, so here New Zealand asked the tech companies to comply with their term of services and evaluate their algorithm with direct online use towards terror extremist contents. And given the restrictions on the tech companies, means the tech companies should take some specific action regarding the terrorist contents published in the digital platform. That's why this is in news. So here we can say what Christchurch Call to Action, which taken the plate also does not include the definition of violent extremist content. So that's why it is up to individual company to decide which is the perfect content to the public in media, through the digital media, to the social media, and which contents will not be disclosed through the social media and digital media. That's why this is in news. Now I am going to other topic is INF Treaty. So this is called Intermediate Range Nuclear Force Treaty. Limited use of medium range missile, both conventional and the nuclear. That's why this is in news. Why this is in news? Because of US has alleged that Russia is developing SSC-8 missile that can target Europe. However, this is being denied by Russia, but US consider this is as a violation of the INF Treaty. So what this INF Treaty actually came in past some year, like the INF Treaty required the US and the Soviet Union to eliminate and permanently eliminate all of their nuclear and conventional ground launch ballistic and cruise missile with range of 500 to 5500 kilometer. That's why this is in news. So now you can say USA has officially withdrawn from the treaty, but Russia has announced that it will be withdraw from this treaty. So that's why in news. Then there's some other one term also in the news here. The New START Treaty. It going to lapse in which one? February 2021. Unless extend for the 5-year period. So this is START, means the Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty, is a treaty between USA and the Russian Federation on measure for the further reduction and limitation of strategic offensive arms. It entered into force on 5 February 2011. The start is came to 2011 5th February. Now I am going to next important topic is Mekong Ganga Corporation, that is called MGC. Now why this is new? Recently 10th MGC ministerial meeting adopted the new MGC plan of action 2019 to 22. This happened. Okay, this meeting held. Okay, now in the Mekong Ganga Corporation is an initiative by the 6 countries. This is important because of 6 countries involved in this, because of ethnic group living the around of the Mekong River and the Ganga River. So that's why means Mekong River flowing from these countries and Ganga flowing from India and other part of the Asia also. So this is 6 countries, means India and the 5 Asian nations, namely Cambodia, that is Laos, PDR, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, for the cooperation in tourism, culture, education, as well as transport and communication. Okay, so that's why both the Ganga and the Mekong are civilizational rivers, and the MGC initiative aimed to facilitate close contact among the people inhabiting these 2 major rivers. That's why this is in news, MGC. Okay, so it was launched in 2000 at the Vietnam. MGC Mekong Ganga Corporation was launched in 2000 at the Vietnam. I remember the 5 countries name. What is the first one is a Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay, and another one is the India. Now I am going to other topic. That is also important topic. Here we can see which one. Yeah. Now here we can see the Mekong Ganga Corporation, the 6 member countries of the MGC. First in India, here you can see Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam. That is its bold in letter. Here in map you can see correctly. Okay. Now I am going to other important topic is ACFTA, that is called Addis Ababa Declaration. So this is why this is in news, because recently that's the ACFTA, means called African Continental Free Trade Area, entered into force in May 2019. Came in the 2019. After the required ratification by the African member state, the operational phase of the African Continental Free Trade Area. Okay, now this ACFTA has been launched at the Niamey summit held in July 2019. That's a Niger, at the place of the Niger. This launched ACFTA has been launched there. So here the other point is that the 80th session of the African Union. Well, the African Union is the group of the African countries. Okay, so in that session held in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia in 2012, adopted a decision to establish a continental free trade agreement among the African countries by the 2007. So that's why this is new, that it came in 2019 in force. So here India has extended $15 million grant assistance to the Niger in support of organization of African Union Summit that was held in Niger, Niamey Summit, that is perfectly called as the Niamey Summit. Okay, now what is that things we can understand here? It is the largest free trade area in world in terms of participating countries since the formation of World Trade Organization. At the July 2019, that was in news, 54 of the 55 African Union states had signed the agreement, with Eritrea the only country not signing the agreement. Of these member states, 27 have deposited their instrument of ratification. So this is also the most important. Okay, in question they can ask what is the meaning of Addis Ababa Declaration. So here you directly can see that this is the held in May 2019 and required ratification of the African member state for free trade agreement. So guys, please study hard. It's for the forthcoming prelims examination. So padhte raho. Thank you guys.